access strategies are becoming the enterprise strategies.
A child grows up in a place built on coal and watches it disappear. He learns a hard truth. Some stories don't begin with ambition. They begin with disruption.
You're helping make informed decisions. But to do that, it requires a very deep understanding of the healthcare systems. And I think the other piece we probably don't talk enough about is we're in the business of prediction. We're in the business of anticipation.
He doesn't start where you expect. He runs bars, closes restaurants at midnight, works weekends, learns pressure, people, and crisis the hard way. And then, almost by accident, he steps into healthcare. And what follows isn't a master plan.
You can't be this bulletproof, immaculate, perfect corporate machine every day of the week. So instead of trying to put on a corporate veneer, be yourself, be authentic, be transparent. You know, I was 25 and I thought I just landed a job that people do for life, that people are much older and have to be far more qualified to normally get. I was really enjoying working in the Scottish Government. I was thriving, I was learning, I was enjoying myself, but I decided to resign from that role. And a lot of people at the time said, "You're crazy." But I took the risk of resigning because I was confident.
It's a moral conversation that real leadership shows up not in certainty, but in transparency, vulnerability, and courage.
The responsibility now upon a pricing and access global leadership team to stand up, have an impact, and deliver high quality leadership has never been more important. So I'm hoping to really kickstart that and accelerate that in the next couple of weeks here at Novartis.
What are the beliefs and values that quietly guide you?
I think if you ground yourself in connecting with people, seeing people as human beings first and trying to connect and understand what motivates them, that sets you up with a far more stronger foundation then to lead, build professional relationships and to create a fellowship around you.
We are obviously going through a very turbulent time when it comes to the policies. When things are so uncertain, that prediction becomes a little bit harder. What's your advice for someone who's sort of navigating those challenges?
What the access professionals inside organizations bring is something that I've spoken a lot more about recently. Is I think we have a superpower, and the superpower of these access professionals.
The 16-year-old who started this journey couldn't have imagined where it would lead. The question is, will he succeed in redefining leadership, value, and access for the future of healthcare? This is the story of Gavin Lewis. Gavin, welcome to Drug Diaries.